This lesson we want to take a look at understanding your default printer and default printer settings, because notice as I went to File, Print, I've got some options here under my drop down. Now the very first printer it goes to is the one that's hooked up for myself. But just to take a quick look at how that's set up inside of Windows operating system, I'm going to come down here to my Start Windows Globe here and go to Devices and Printers and left click on that. And what happens is it will launch these printers that are installed, and fax machines if you have them installed on your computer. And I've got a little check mark by the one that is set as default. What that means is when you right click on something to print it directly on that file in the Windows Explorer, select print, it will print it automatically. And when it prints it automatically, that means that it's using the default printer. In some cases you need to change the default printer to something else, so you would simply right click and change to set as default printer. Now you can also double click on that printer and that will expose some of the options for you. So you can adjust the printer settings. You can adjust, find out how much ink is left in your printer. You can adjust how you're feeding that particular file in. A number of different things that you can set. But that is how your printer is set up to print automatically inside of Windows. And that's under your Windows Orb, Devices and Printers, and your particular printers are located down here at the bottom. Check mark means that's the default.